Hey everybody, today we're going to be learning an accompaniment exercise. Let me start by telling you what an accompaniment is first. An accompaniment is basically the piano part that somebody plays for a singer or a performer, like a soloist, a guitar soloist, or a flute soloist, or a singer is performing. And at that time, the backing music that's played on the piano, that is called an accompaniment. This series of accompaniment exercises will basically help you to improve step by step in how to accompany your singing or how to accompany anybody else performing music. So let's go on. This is the accompaniment exercise. And first, let me show you how it's played, and then I'm going to slow it down so you can learn it. All right? So let's go on. So that's how the accompaniment is played. Now let me play it to you slowly so you can get it. So first I start with the C and E towards my right, and then towards the left I play the G. Okay, so it goes like this. Now both of this is played on my right hand. Okay, so it goes. So the movement is like a right, left. You get that? So that's how we play. Got it? So that's the movement. So how many times are we playing this? We're going to play it once and then we move forward. So look at this. You got that? So first I play this and G remains constantly at the same place. Okay, so I play and then I move one step forward. Look at this. The C moves to D and the E moves to F. So it goes from here and the same thing moves higher. Okay, and then we come back to that. Okay, so look at this. You got that? And we do this whole thing 2 times. Look at this. And we come back, we repeat it, and we don't come back to the first one. Okay, so you got that? We do it 2 times, but the second time we don't come back to the first point. Okay, so it goes like this. Second time, change to, this is the next position. That is, you play A and C, and E will be the constant point. Okay, so it goes. You got that? And then we move to the, remember, we don't come back to the A and C, even just like we did it here, right? We did the second time, and we don't come back to C, and then we move to the next position. A is here. And then we come back to the next position, that's an F. So F and A are played together with the C at the constant point. So and the next is, we're going to play a G suspended chord, which is G and C and D. Okay, so the same notes. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first we're going to do these two, that is C and D, and then G being the constant. And then we move the C to a B. You got that? And that's how we play the right hand. Now let me tell you how the left hand is played. Look at this. So left hand plays C. So each time I play it like, so each of this is played twice. Okay, so I play C 2 times, then I play A 2 times, then I play F 2 times, then I play G 2 times. So look at this. So imagine if you are an absolute beginner, what you should do is you should try out to play this whole thing slowly. Look at this. Alright? But then if you know a little more of music, then you should probably try out to make it a little more faster. Look at this. And so on, right? So that's the way we go about playing this exercise. Okay, so I want you to practice this out several times and then send me a video of you playing it. Got it? So let's go on. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.